Tea leaf babies. Out playing. Tea leaf. Tea leaf, bring him back here. Tea leaf. Bubby. Where's them puppies? Where's them puppies? Here they come. Oh, here they come. Oh. And there's a little girl. There's a little girl. She's so cute. She had both her ears up. And her tail is way over the back. This is a boy. That was the first one born. Because he was black, I thought he was Danny. But then he grew up and he has Papillon. Oh, so funny. Oh, it's so funny. So funny. That's a boy. That's a boy. Getting disciplined by the mama. She's such a good mama. That's a boy. That's a girl. That mostly white one is the other girl. What you doing? What you doing, little girl? And Bubby likes to play with the puppies. Bubby likes the puppies. Oh, Bubby. Dot likes puppies too. Dot likes the puppies. Dot likes to play with the puppies. I'm being buried. I'm being buried. Tea leaf, help me. He's climbing my leg.